Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Technology Sahayak. While you try to verify your phone number with this telegram, and if you facing the following problem. In this case, no other message is displayed, nor does not change this interface. Only shows connecting word above. But you don't receive any verification code or any verification phone calls. So how to fix this issue? We can fix this issue several ways. But in this video, I will show you one method to fix this issue. So, let's start how to do it. At first, go to your phone settings. Go to Apps or App Manager or App Management according to your device. From here, find out Telegram app and press on it. And now clear cache and clear data from the app storage according to your device system. After clearing the app storage, close that settings. Now open Play Store. Search by Turbo VPN and install it, or you can install any VPN. After installing, connect that VPN with United States. And after connected, open Telegram app. And then you will get this pop-up message. Here said, that voice phone call will come for verification, will be received automatically, and will be verified. So for that we will press on the continue. And press on allow. Now select your country. And enter your phone number. And then press on next or this icon. Press on yes. And again confirm continue. And after that you will get a voice call for verification code, that received automatically. And also verified automatically. And the problem will be solved. Guys, let me know your problem solved or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like and share that video, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.